Happy Friday, parents. Today is February 5th, and we had an exciting and super busy week in third grade. This week, we focused in reading on more narrative text. So we looked at excerpts from the text of Ivy and Bean, and then we looked at a couple of other texts through our Storyworks articles that we use and on an additional online resource. The kids worked really hard this week on identifying character motivation and how characters change over time as stories build. In math, we have started two-part word problems, and I know that they are super challenging for the kids, but we are coming up with lots of different strategies for the kids to use and really identifying how to break these problems down to let the students realize that big word problems are not scary. In writing, we continue opinion writing and writing about space, about whether regular people should go to space or not. And they have constructed some great arguments of why space is not the best place for just regular people who might not be trained. And what am I forgetting? Oh, excuse me. In core here, we moved on to our Native American unit, and the students are loving making connections and also loving watching the timeline transition from the Romans to the Vikings, now the Vikings to the Native Americans. And so they're doing a great job with that. For upcoming events, next Thursday, we have our Valentine's Day party. Thank you to everybody who signed up. We filled our sign up for the party super quickly. That day we'll be building or decorating Christmas. Goodness. We will be decorating Valentine's Day cookies, doing a craft, and playing some games. Also on that day, on the 11th, students are able to wear Valentine's Day colors, and if they wear Valentine's Day colors on Thursday, they can wear jeans. And then we actually don't have school the 15th, so we don't the 12th. So we don't have school the 12th through the 16th. And so they'll return on Wednesday the 17th after a little February break. And so we look forward to the little break, but also the work leading up to it and when they come back as well. Aside from that, spelling test Tuesday. And the last thing is the only change you guys are going to notice is next week our math homework is going to change a bit. If students are in my math class, we're going to continue doing the paper review that we've been doing for a few months now. All other math classes actually will be moving to paper homework as well. And there's going to be a little bit of a review of daily assignments that will give more opportunity for mastery. So if you have any questions, please reach out to your student's math teacher about that. And if you have any questions about things in the grade book or things going on in class, please let me know, and I would love to chat. Also, next week is our last week of conferences, and so if you have not signed up yet and you are still looking for a conference, please let me know and just reach out to me via email. I hope you have a great weekend, and thanks for everything you do.